Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to start the next topic of lesson number 6, that is changing the text alignment. Okay. So alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. So what is the position of text and what position you want to fix for your page, that can be done through the alignment. Okay. So basically there are 4 types of alignment in MS Word. The first one is left alignment. Okay, so it places all the selected text to the left margin, that is left hand side, and by default text is always assigned to the left margin. Okay, so to set a text to the left position we use left align. And the next one is right alignment. It places the text to the right margin. Oftenly it is used for placing dates and references in a document. Suppose that we want to put a date on a document, we can use it to set the dates in the right margin. The next one is center alignment. Center alignment text set the text in center of left and right margin. In the center of left and right margin. So basically it is used for putting title or headings in our document. The next one is justify alignment. Justify place text evenly between left and right margin. It places evenly, proper positioning of text between left and right margin. It mainly used for designing books, magazine and newspaper. Okay. So if you have seen the newspaper, all the alignment of a newspaper are in justify position. Okay. So to set alignment, we need to select a paragraph and go to the page layout section and click on paragraph. A dialog box will appear and select the required alignment by clicking the drop down arrow next to the alignment under the general section. So with the help of these steps we can set alignment to our text. Okay. So this is the paragraph where we want to set the alignment. So I just need to click on the page layout option here and just click on paragraph option here, and in general settings we check alignment. I just click on the drop down menu and select the alignment which we want to set in the page and click on OK. Suppose that I have select centered. Now click on OK button. So your text has been centered. There is a shortcut also. You can set the alignment by selecting the text, and these are the 4 buttons which justify the alignment. This is justify, this is the right alignment, this is center alignment, this is the left alignment. When we select the alignment, the text is set according to the alignment. See here, the left alignment, this is center, this is right, and this is justify. Okay, so I hope you will understand the topic. Do practice at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.